Join us for breakfast at Sanaa, located at Kidani Village. Sanaa began serving breakfasts about 2 years ago. They have lots of grab-and-go options, cinnamon rolls, African-style quiche, oatmeals, banana bread, different fruit plates, yogurt parfaits, fresh fruit, and of course, baked goods, and a selection of beverages, as well as coffee. And then you get to sit down and look out into the savannah. What a gorgeous place to enjoy a morning meal. My son typically starts with Mickey Waffles.
You're starving?
And this is my wife's Savanna Platter for $8.99. 2 cage-free eggs served any style with Tanzanian hash browns, bacon, and beautiful corn Johnny cake.
Angel.
I really want to get the silver toy. I love it.
Oh gosh, that's our table number, honey. We're table number 18. Do you know what animal this is?
Yep, cheetah.
Good boy. What'd you get for breakfast, Lee?
Sunrise, I think?
The Savanna Platter?
Maybe Savannah.
Yeah.
I'm going to get the breakfast waffles, 2 waffles.
Look at the syrup. Hey, it's enough, it's enough, it's enough.
So you can have some waffles with that syrup?
That's enough. She's drenching every little hole.
Wow,
Would you like me to cut it for you, honey? You're gonna get all sticky. Okay, let's put it down. Hold on, okay, please?
And this is the Boere Breakfast for $10.99. 2 cage-free eggs with African home fries, house-made Boer Wars sausage, bacon, and 2 corn Johnny cakes. And these house-made sausages were delicious. They were not gamey, they were pretty lean, and they were certainly yummy.
Yum time.
And Luca put a liter of sauce on his waffles. How's your waffle?
Good.
You good? Is it syrupy?
Fresh. Looks like a little muffin that didn't rise. It's like sweet cornbread or something.
Now, Mama,
Yes.
you were a high school runner, is that correct?
Yeah.
And what events did you run in?
Just cross country.
You ran across the country.
I didn't say that.
All of Canada?
I didn't say
Oh
that.
my goodness. It's a delicious breakfast.
Yes?
It's a tomato chutney. It's really nice.
But that's not good. That's not good for nature.
It's called aphids that destroy crops. So beetles eat other little bugs, smaller bugs, that wreck the crops. So farmers like yours. There's a firefly. Because most fireflies can make light with their bodies. Remember what that's called? Because Mickey Waffles, yummy.
Breakfast. It's beautiful.
Delicious. It's really good. So different from what you're used to, but yummy.
Yeah, the sausage is delicious.
Thank you.
Cornbreads are up there.
I know what all the cornbreads.
Are they?
Yeah.
What's cornbread?
Cornbread is a type of bread.
Point to it.
What?
Yeah. Those ones? Cornbread. And what is inside cornbread? Do you know?
Oh, wow, you even tasted it.
Egg.
That's pretty sneaky.
Egg.
That was pretty sneaky, eh? Mama said point to it, you grabbed it and ate it. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.